Have you ever been told that cracking your knuckles is bad for you? Let's bust that myth right now. When you crack your knuckles, you're not grinding the bone or damaging the joint. The traction as you pull down is causing a bubble to form, and the pull causes that pop. It's not ruining or damaging your joint, but it does cause a sound to come out of your knuckle. Multiple studies following patients over the years have shown that there's no damage or arthritis that comes from cracking your knuckles. One researcher cracked the knuckles exclusively on one hand for 60 years and never on the other hand. No difference on his x-rays. So is cracking your knuckles bad for you? Does it cause arthritis? No, not at all. Crack away.